Hello, David Bradley from the box room here. If you have a Commodore 128 and you're in 128 mode, you want to look at a disk. Yes, it's catalog. But if you short form, it's C, shifted A, hit enter, and it will come up. If you want to do a directory, which is exactly the same thing, you have to do D, R, and a shifted R, and it will come up. These are the short forms. Many of the things along the way have little short forms, which is often the first letter and a shifted second letter, but not always. For example, directory is DI shifted R. Catalog is C shifted A. And if you want to see it in upper and lower case, oh, no, that does not work on this. Never mind. Caps lock. Nope. Never mind what I was just about to say. Anyway, C shift A, DI shift R will get you the catalog and the directory, which are the same thing on a Commodore 128 in 40 or 80 column mode. This is 40 column mode. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.